Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Topic of the Month. I'm Tom, your AI host. Today, we're spotlighting Vietnam, one of Asia's fastest rising tech manufacturing hubs. By 2025, Vietnam's electronics exports are set to top $140 billion, more than a third of the country's total. In under a decade, Vietnam's gone from backup site to global contender, now ranked among the top 5 for some tech hardware categories. Vietnam's rise isn't luck, it's strategic. Trade agreements like the EU-Vietnam Free Trade Agreement, known as EVFTA, and the Trans-Pacific Partnership, or CPTPP, have opened access to global markets, cut tariffs, and streamlined cross-border trade. On the ground, high-tech industrial parks are attracting global manufacturers shifting to multi-node supply chains. Vietnam's central location makes it a springboard for high-value production. In 2024, exports to the EU rose nearly 20%. Shipments to the US surged 40%, with electronics and components leading. So it's clear that Vietnam is fast becoming a strong player in global tech supply chains. But this rapid growth also brings friction. Tower shortages in 2023 caused $1.4 billion in losses. New trucking rules in 2025 pushed logistics costs up 20% for some firms. Trade frictions are also rising. New US tariffs now target goods with Chinese components, raising compliance risks for Vietnam's import-heavy electronics sector. But these are inflection points, not dead ends. The government is already investing in energy, customs digitization, and local sourcing to build resilience. Vietnam's rapid growth is backed by serious infrastructure investment. From multi-user facilities to regional-scale logistics corridors, the country is building for the next generation of tech. That's why it has been a priority in key hubs like Hưng Yên, Long Binh, Bac Ninh, and Hanoi for DHL to establish next-generation logistics facilities that are grid-aligned, customs-enabled, and purpose-built for capital-intensive production. DHL has deployed 115 sites, 1,100 employees, and over 200,000 square meters of warehousing, plus EV fleets and expanded logistics coverage across Vietnam's north and south. This is not just a blueprint, it's already happening. Vietnam's evolution is deliberate and tech-ready. Businesses that embed logistics now will shape what comes next. You can find more information about the Asia Pivot in our online document, a valuable resource exploring new supply chain frontiers beyond China and the wider region. In the next episode of Tech Topic of the Month, we delve into the world of high-value goods and semiconductors and what it takes to deliver in this ever-evolving sector. Until then, happy holidays, and I'll see you all in 2026. See you then.